Welcome to my in-depth review of HoneyBook, the client and project management software designed specifically for creative entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses. In this video, I'll take you on a complete walkthrough of HoneyBook's features, interface, and performance, offering my honest opinions along the way. Whether you're a photographer, event planner, designer, or consultant, this review is tailored to help you decide if HoneyBook meets your business needs. HoneyBook positions itself as a comprehensive CRM tool that helps streamline client communications, proposals, contracts, and payments, all in one platform. I'll begin by showing you the dashboard, which is clean, modern, and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even for first-time users. From the main page, you can view your projects, pending actions, and invoices at a glance, offering a real-time overview of your business activities. Next, I'll demonstrate how to create a project. HoneyBook makes this process incredibly intuitive, allowing you to input client details, project milestones, and associated tasks. Once a project is created, the platform helps you stay organized by integrating everything from emails to file attachments directly within the project's timeline. Point one of HoneyBook's standout features is its automation capabilities. I'll show you how to set up workflows that send automated emails, reminders, and task assignments. This feature saves an enormous amount of time and ensures a consistent client experience. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Be sure to check them out after watching the review to explore other tools and insights that can complement your business needs. Moving on, I'll cover HoneyBook's payment features. The platform allows you to create and send invoices, receive payments, and track income, all within the app. It also integrates with major payment processors, making it seamless for clients to pay directly. Another highlight is the customization options. HoneyBook lets you design branded proposals, contracts, and questionnaires, ensuring your documents align with your business identity. I'll guide you through setting up a custom template, which is simple yet incredibly powerful for maintaining a professional appearance. I'll also discuss the collaboration tools, which are particularly beneficial for teams. HoneyBook allows you to share projects and assign tasks, making it easier to work alongside colleagues or contractors. Towards the end of the video, I'll address pricing. HoneyBook offers various subscription plans, and I'll break down the costs, features, and overall value for money. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a small team, I'll help you evaluate if HoneyBook is worth the investment. Lastly, I'll touch on the mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android. The app mirrors much of the functionality of the desktop version, enabling you to manage your business on the go. Thank you for joining me in this detailed HoneyBook review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tutorials, and business tips. Your support helps me create more content to empower creative entrepreneurs like you.